Hi everyone. This is going to be the first page from the Jen Hadfield collections page kits I made up. And the first one I am doing is this tulip paper. And when I found a picture pictures that I could put on here, it ended up being my daughter, her husband, and the twins. So I'm gonna have to make it 2 pages. And so I took the polka dot paper and the tulip paper and I just cut them in half. And then I took the stripe paper and cut it 2 inches, which I only have 1 inch sticking out. And I'm just gonna show you how I'm gonna lay it out, this one. And then I'll just show you what's gonna be different on Aiden's. This will be Alex's. And then I will put it together and then I'll come back on then, so you don't have to watch the whole thing being put together. And then I'll show you also what I have left over. Okay, because I'm pretty thrilled with how the kit worked out. So I'm gonna put this about 2.5 inches from each side, I calculated, and probably pulled up a little bit so I get to see a whole row of the tulips. Okay, I had this white tab in my kit, and then this was a border strip on top of one of the papers, I think the polka dot. And so I'm gonna put that on here, and I'm gonna tuck that in here. And now I've got this picture of Alex all by herself, standing on the other side of the tulips. I think that Aiden just wouldn't let anybody put him down because he's being held in every picture. So he's gonna have the same group of pictures as her, but he doesn't have a picture by himself. Okay, and then I'm gonna use up here, bloom, and where's my and? Okay, and grow, because that was in the kit. It was actually bloom and grow that I had in the kit, but since I had to do 2 layouts, one for each book, I did the small letters that I had actually put in the kit. And then I am going to use the best wishes, and I'm going to put this little circle that says lost and found from my puffies. And where's my scissors? There's 2 dots on there that I don't know if I'm gonna use them or not. So let me cut those off. So I'm going to put that on here and put it down here. So right now I'm working on my visual triangles, and then I had 3 of the bows in there, so I'm going to put one on hers, and then I have Brad's that I'm going to put over here. I'm using one of the white ones, and then the one that kind of looks like a slice of kiwi. And then I've got it's so funny because I put so many extra things in here that it worked out all right that I have you know, the 2 layouts that I'm doing. Okay, I'm gonna scoot this over just a little bit more because I'm gonna put these little flags on here. And then I have one that goes this way. And I'm gonna cover up the tails with this little bird. And then I have these brads for, I've got a little white brad for up here, and then the little plaid brad will go up here too. Okay, and then right over here, I'm gonna put the little heart that was in the kit. And then I do have a couple of green hearts that I may put, maybe one over here. And then I have these photo corners that I plan on putting here. One on each corner. And that will pretty much be her. I'll knock these out, you know. And so I will probably still put this here because I think enough of it will show that I'll actually put it underneath here. So that is what's going to be on hers. And I'm going to go ahead and put it all down, and then I'll show you his and show you what's different. So I'll be back in just a minute. Okay, I'm back. Okay, I've got Alex's all put together, and I did end up putting this I love you thing here and then the 2 dots there. And I did the taboo of putting things right underneath the bird, but it's okay, we're just gonna have to get over it. So there's Alex's. And here's Aiden's. And on his, my friend actually had the letters bloom because I did not have any in my kit, and I didn't have any that was the right color. And so she gave me the bloom, and I had the and in one of my other packs of letters. And otherwise everything is from the kit. Oh, and I also added the photo corners because I only put one set of photo corners in the kit. And I'll show you close-ups at the end. Okay, and here's what, I did have a lot of stuff in my kit. So, of course I had letters left, but I did use, I only spelt out grow because, on this one here, because I used the grow on his, so I was splitting up the chipboard. And so I have my letters left. I didn't use the today. I didn't use any of the butterflies. I did not use the feather. I didn't use the scrap I put in of the green corner punched. I did not use my fillet or my doily, but I would have if I would have thought about it beforehand. And I did not use my little border scrap. And I did not use this. So you see I had so much things in my kit that I could actually do a 2-page, with the exception of adding the photo corners and the letters. And then I had the little piece, the transparency from Heidi Swap left over, and this much of the striped paper left, which is a 12 by probably 10 inches, I think. Oh, 12 by 8. So that's what I had left. So I think it went pretty good. I'm really excited to have gotten to use my kits already. And I'll be back with another one of these, but not right away because I haven't decided what I'm doing yet. But I will do something again, but that's the tulip one. And if you like it, give it a like. And thanks for watching, and have a wonderful day. Bye.